Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that all of you will be fine. This video is about Google Classroom, where you can make an assignment for the students, and then when students send you the assignment, and you can mark it, grade it, and return it. So in this tutorial we'll learn about all these things. So first of all, we are in a class. You can see that here is the class. The first thing you need to do is to go to classwork. Here, as I told you in the previous video, if you click create, you can create a quiz assignment, you can create a question for attendance, or a material or a topic, etc. So the first option is assignment. So we can create an assignment from here. So if you click this assignment, you'll see the assignment window. So here I would type that assignment number 1, and now I may tell the students instructions. Please write about topic dash 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 something, and then I can tell them about the deadline and all those things. The deadline for this assignment is 27th May 2020, and I can tell them that you have to write 3 pages in Microsoft Word with 12 font size and 1.5 line spacing. So these are the instructions for the students, how they have to write down things. And if you want, if you have different topics for different students, the easiest way is just make a table in Microsoft Word again against the student IDs, and then assign the topics to students. Or if you want to make groups of students, just do that and add that Word file as a file here, so students will see that file and find their name and their topic in that one. But if you want to assign one topic to the whole class, then you can do in this instructions window. Alright, and now if you want to assign one assignment to many classes, maybe you're teaching one subject in 2 different classes, like a morning and evening to the same class, you can select from here, you can select both classes. If I tick this, it will assign this assignment to the 2 classes, and then all students, or you just want to select some students. It's similar to the previous things like quiz, etc. And then I can give this assignment marks, like I give it 20 marks, for example, and then a due date. I will set a due date of, let's say, 28th May by midnight. And then topic, it's always wise to create a topic like we created for attendances or quizzes. So I will create a topic here named assignments. So all the assignments I give to students will come under one topic called assignments. And one more important thing I tell you about is that you can also get the originality reports. Like if you are really strict that students do not copy paste material and just write their own, in that case we can give them a really understandable assignments that they have to study something and write down their own a few pages, and we check the originality reports, like plagiarism. If that is in the assignment, we can click this originality reports, and then it will tell you that you can only enable originality reports on 3 assignments per class. So you cannot enable originality reports on more than 3 assignments. So I hope that in one semester we take around 3 assignments or less than that, including quizzes. And then if you continue, it will also give you the originality report, but at the moment I'm not using that option, just because this is a test assignment. And then all the things are done. Now we can just set up the assignment and assign it to the student. So I'm going to assign this assignment, and it will show up in the student's feed. So here the topic is assignments, and then under that topic I have an assignment created. If I see that there is one student in this class and one is assigned, 0 has turned in. So now I'll pause the video and go to the student account and submit an assignment and come back to show you how will you grade that assignment. Yeah, now you can see that one student has turned in. So if I view the assignment, I'll see that this one student has submitted the assignment, and here on the right side is that student's assignment. So if I just click on that assignment, it will open a new tab for that, where you will have all the functionality of marking that assignment and commenting, etc. So this is open with the Google Docs. So now here is what student has submitted. Now you have different buttons here, like for example, if I want to comment like this equation, I'll just select it, and here is a plus button. You can click on it to add a comment for the student. I can tell the student that this equation must be numbered, and then I can tell the student that the references should comment at the end. So I'll just post this comment, and then references, and write down that references should be at the end of the assignment. And then any other comments I can just put them in here, and then I can return this assignment to the student, or I can just grade it, and I can also add a private comment. For example, I'll give it like 15 out of 20 marks here, and then I can add a private comment for the student that your assignment is not satisfactory, you need to work hard to improve your grades or something. So I'll post that comment. This comment will go to the student in private. I mean, he can only the student can read this comment, not the whole class. And now I have graded it, I have commented it. So the next thing is to return this assignment to the student. I can also print the assignment or download it from here if I want to download this file, but I don't really need to download so many files for the students to the computer, so I can directly comment them and grade them here, and they will be saved in the Google Class. So now I click return, and return. Now the assignment is being returned to the student, and if I come back to the class, you can see that the marks for this student has been entered here, and you can see 1 graded. You will see 15 out of 20 marks, and if you click 1 graded, you will see the student, and there is the comment for that student as well. If I click on it, I can see that this student has got this assignment back, and here is a private comment, and the grade is shown on the right hand side. And if I go to main class and then click on grades, I can see the assignment number one. So there is one student. That student got 15 out of 20, and the average of the class is 15. So you will see a list of all the other students and their grades here in the assignment, and then you can definitely download those grades. And this was all about how to create an assignment and how you will grade them or mark them in the Google Classroom. If you have any questions related to it, you can just comment in the video below the video, and I'll try to address those comments. And if you want me to make a new video on some interesting topic, just tell me about that. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do it so, and like and share the video with your colleagues to help them out about this online classing. So I'll see you in some next video, and take care of yourself, and until then, Allah Hafiz.